Hello everyone. So now we are on to the lecture 10 of hotels, question number 13. It is exactly similar to the previous question 12 solved in the lecture 9. So ideally you all are required to solve the question on your own. Yes, understanding part you can listen to the lecture and then try the solution on your own, and then you can play the video and verify whether you got it correct or not. And of course, if there is any confusion, the entire explanation is already there in this lecture. So let's take up with it. DLF Limited starts, not starts, make it starts, a holiday resort. For this purpose, it has hired, underline hired, a building at a rent of rupees 20,000 per month. This 20,000 per month is fixed rent. Okay, we have done this earlier also. So per year 20,000 into 12, 2,40,000 will be payable. Along with 5% of total taking is the variable rent. Since it is 5% of total takings, the workings will be done similar to what we used to do for calculation of overheads in the earlier questions. It has three types of rooms for its customers: simple room, standard room, and family room. Following information is available: type of types of suites, numbers, and percentage occupancy. Simple room there are 75 in number, 100% occupancy. Standard room 60 in number, 75% occupancy. Family rooms 40 in number and 50% occupancy. So this entire table will get us the occupancy, workings of occupancy. And also generally in these questions they always mention take 360 days in a year. You can see in the last sentence. So how would you find the occupancy? By now you would have recollected: 75 into 360 into 100%, 60 rooms into 360 days into 75%, and 40 rooms into 360 days into 50%. The rent of standard room is to be fixed at 3 times of the simple room, and that of the family room is twice of the standard room. So this part serves to be the most important part in the question. This will help us in calculating the weighted rent and hence what should be charged for standard room, simple room, and family room. We'll see that at the end of the solution. The other expenses for the year are as follows. Since the expenses are given for the year, we will be making the statement for 1 year. Okay, since the expenses are given for a year, we will be making the statement for 1 year. Staff salaries, energy costs, laundry charges, sundry expenses, repairs and maintenance, and interior decoration. You are required to calculate a room rent to be charged per day for simple room, standard room, and family room. And that should be in such a manner that standard room's rent is 3 times of simple room and family room is twice of standard room. If profit is decided to be provided at 15% on total takings, so that variable rent and this profit calculations we will do as we used to do in the initial questions of cost sheet. All of you pause the video and make the format. Name of the company is DLF Limited. Statement showing cost and profit for 1 year. All of you pause the video and make the format. Yes, I hope everyone has done the format. So we'll start with the expenses. Very first there is a fixed rent of 20,000 per month. We'll start with that. So all of you write down fixed rent 20,000 per month. So 20,000 into 12. Okay, 20,000 into 12 months, that is 2,40,000. Now after fixed rent we have variable rent, but that we will take at the end. Okay, variable rent will not be taken right now, it will be taken at the end. Then after variable rent, we directly have the expenses in the last table. Staff salaries 12 lakhs. So these are already the yearly expenses. So directly write down staff salaries 12 lakhs. Then after staff salaries we have energy cost. Okay, staff salaries is taken 12 lakhs. Energy cost is 3 lakhs. So all of you write down energy cost 3 lakhs. Then after energy cost we have laundry charges. So all of you write down laundry charges of 95,000. Then after laundry charges we have sundry expenses of 1,75,000. Write down sundry expenses 1,75,000. Then after sundry expenses, repairs and maintenance 1,15,000. All of you write down repairs and maintenance 1,15,000. Then after repairs and maintenance, last is interior decoration 2,50,000. So all of you write down interior decoration 2,50,000. Okay, now no other expense is there. So total of this would give us total cost but excluding variable rent. Okay, so far variable rent has not been taken into consideration. So total cost excluding variable rent. Now we'll add all this. So 2,40,000 plus 12 lakhs, 14,40,000, 17,40,000, 18 lakh 35,000, 19 35, 20 lakh 10,000, 21 lakh 25,000, 23 lakh 75,000. All of you do it on calculator. Now in that we will add variable rent which we don't know right now. So we will keep it blank, pending, and then what we will get is total cost including variable rent. In that we will add profit, and then what we'll get is total takings. Now to find this amount of variable cost and profit we have to go reverse. So we'll make the workings. Okay, below this table, or if you give the heading as working note 1, In that we'll go reverse. So we'll start with suppose total takings is equal to 100. Okay, we'll go reverse. So suppose this total takings is equal to 100. Now this plus will become minus. We'll subtract profit from that. Now what is the profit given here? You all can see 15% on total takings. So 100's 15% on total takings, that would be equal to 15 itself. 100 minus 15, what will be this? 85. If you minus profit, then what we get is this total cost including variable rent. So this 85 is total cost including variable rent. Now further, if we go reverse, then we will minus this variable rent. Okay, from this we'll further minus the variable rent. Now what is variable rent given? See the first paragraph, first sentence. You all will find that 5% of total takings. So total takings we have assumed as 100. 5% of that is 5. Now 85 minus 5, 80 will be the total cost excluding. If you go reverse and you minus this variable rent, then what you get is total cost excluding variable rent, that is 80. Okay, total cost excluding variable rent is 80. Now based on this we will be able to find what is our variable rent and profit, because total cost excluding variable rent we know is 23,75,000. So against this we'll write 23,75,000 total cost excluding variable rent. So what would be your variable rent? 23,75,000 into 5 divided by 80. 23,75,000 into 5 divided by 80. All of you do it in the calculator. Okay, 23,75,000 into 5 divided by 80. So that comes to 148,437.5. Okay, 148,437.5. Means we can round it off to 148,438. Now, same way, what would be your profit? So 23,75,000 into 15 divided by 80. When cost is 80, profit is 50, so 23,75,000, how much? 23,75,000 into 15 divided by 80. So that comes to 23,75,000. Do it in calculator everyone, into 15 divided by 80. 4,45,312.5. Since here we rounded off 0.5 more, here you can round off 0.5 less. You can take 312. Okay, instead of 13 you can take it as 312. Now here we can write it variable rent from working note 1. We get how much? 148,438. Okay, 148,438. If we add that, okay, then what is the total amount of cost including variable rent we will get? 23,75,000 plus 148,438, 25,23,438. Profit we will add from working note 1 again. That comes to 445,312. So further we will add 445,312. Do it in calculator everyone. 25,23,438 plus 445,312. You must get 29,68,750. This is the total takings, and then cross check. As it is given, variable rent must be 5% of total takings, so cross check. Total takings 29,68,750 into 5%. Does it come to 148,438 or not? Yes. And same way cross check. This profit must be 15% of total takings. So 29,68,750 into 15%. Does it come to 445,312 or not? Yes. So first calculation of total takings is done. Now second we have to find the occupancy. So all of you give the heading occupancy. Now occupancy we have to find for single room. Here we have simple room. Then we have double room or standard room. Simple room, standard room and family room. Okay, simple room, standard room and family room. Now that second table will help us in getting the occupancy. 75 rooms into 360 days into 100%. Here we'll show the calculation. 75 rooms into 360 days. 360 days are to be assumed in a year into 100%. All of you do it in calculator. 75 into 360 into 100%. That comes to 27,000. Okay, this is the occupancy room of rooms. Standard rooms occupancy is how much? 60 rooms into 365 days into 75%. Okay, 360 days. 60 rooms into 360 days into 75%. Do it everyone in calculator. 60 rooms into 360 days into 75%. 16,200 rooms get sold off during the year, standard rooms. And family rooms, how many are sold off during the year? 40 rooms into 360 days into 50%. Okay, 40 rooms into 360 days into 50% must be 7,200. All of you cross check in your calculators. 40 rooms into 360 days into 50%, 7,200. Okay, after occupancy we'll find a room rent per day. How much should be charged? So calculation of room rent. Give the heading everyone. Calculation of room rent. Make the columns particulars, simple room, standard room, family room, and total. So very first of all, we'll start with number of rooms occupied during the year. As we calculated just now, 27,000, 16,200 and 7,200. Okay, 27,000, 16,200 and 7,200. Now this we will multiply with the weights. Weights means importance. So importance is given as here in the second paragraph. Standard room is 3 times important than simple room. The rent is 3 times more than the simple room. So suppose simple room's rent is 1. Standard room is 3 times, so 1 into 3, 3. And family room is twice of standard room. Twice of standard room. Standard is 3, so twice of that 3 into 2 would be 6. Now this all will be multiplied with the weights to get the weighted rent. So if you multiply it with the weights, what we will get is 27,000 into 1, 27,000. 16,200 into 2, 3. 16,200 into 3, 48,600. And 7,200 into 6, 43,200. This is the weighted rent. Now total of this will be required. So 27,000 plus 48,600 plus 43,200. That comes to 1,18,800. Now total takings. Total takings we have calculated as 2968,750 is what we have to recover from all the 3 rooms. 2968,750. Now in this ratio means 2968,750 against 1,18,800, 27,000. So 2968,750, how much? 2968,750 into 27,000 divided by 1,18,800. Same way, 2968,750 multiplied by 48,600, then divided by 118,800. And for the third one, 2968,750 multiplied by 43,200 and then divided by 118,800. And in calculator you can do it in more easier manner. I have discussed this earlier. How you can do it is, first you divide by 118,800. So first you do 2968,750 divided by 118,800, and then you do into 2 times 27,000 equal to, you'll get 6,74,715.9, means 716, you can round it off. Okay, and then directly 48,600 equal to, okay, directly whatever you have in your screen, 2968,750 divide by 118,800 into 27,000 was already done. Now you directly press 48,600 and equal to, you all must get 1214488. Okay, 1214488.64. so this also you can round it out to 489, and then last one simply press 43,200 equal to, okay, 2968,750 divided by 118,800 into was already done. So you simply press 43,200 and equal to, you must get 1079,545.45, so you'll round it out to 545 only. Just cross check that the total comes to 2968750 or not. 674716 plus 1214489 plus 1079545. You must get the total 2968750. Now this you will divide by number of rooms occupied to get the per day rent of the rooms. Okay, so number of rooms occupied. In the beginning, you all can see 27,000, 16,200 and 7,200. So 674,716 we have to recover from 27,000 simple rooms. 1214489 we have to recover from 16,200 standard rooms, and 1079545 we have to recover from 7,200 family rooms. In short, what is the final amount we have to recover? So that you will calculate here, room rent per day. Okay, room rent per day. If you divide it, you'll get it. So all of you do it. 716 divide by 27,000. You all must get 24.99 rupees, means approximately 25 rupees. Then 1214489 divide by 16,200 rooms. So 74.96, approximately 75 rupees per day. And 1079545 divided by 7,200, that is 149.93, approximately 150. So you all can cross check, as it was given in the second paragraph, that rent of standard room must be 3 times of simple room and family twice of standard room. See, standard room's rent, is it 3 times of simple room or not? And family room, is it twice of standard room or not? Yes. So these are the rents that will be charged per day per room for simple room, standard room and family room. I hope everyone is clear with this question and confident with it. A lot of practice is already done. Now 2 questions you all will be taking in homework. I'll discuss one of them, and one more similar examination question will be done in the homework. Yes, so questions 17 and 38 is your homework. I'll discuss them. They are very simple questions, understand it. Happy Vacation Hotel has 3 types of suites for its customers, that is single room, double room and triple room. Okay, 3 types of rooms are there: single, double and triple. Following information is available: single room 200 numbers and 100% occupancy, double room 180% and triple room 60%. The rent of double room suite is to be fixed at 2.5 times of the single room, and that of triple room suite as twice of the double room. Not rook, make it room. Okay, room suite. Total takings is, now this is important here, total takings is directly given in the question: 70,42,667. In short, this total takings what we found by making the whole cost statement. You don't have to make it here, directly it's given. These workings are not required. What you have to do is directly these 2 solutions only. Straight away find the occupancy and calculation of room rent, because total takings required in calculation of room rent are directly given. Okay, and exactly similar is question 38a. You all can see the last sentence, the total takings are given as rupees 80 lakhs. In this question, you are not given to assume 360 days. Still you solve it assuming 360 days per year. Okay, here also you solve it assuming 360 days per year. So both the questions are very simple ones. Only these last two tables are to be done, and as such first table we all are very confident with. Overheads and profits question, what is important to be practiced is this last two tables only. So 17 and 18A will stand as your homework. Okay, that will be all for today's lecture. Bye everyone, take care, see you in the next lecture.